frame. I can't go back to that. So now I need my staff and my team to be as skilled as possible in these systems, because it's up to them. I need them to write the skills. I need them to train their agents in the role that they do. And it's like, you know, you give me a hammer and you give a chippy a hammer, and I guarantee you we're going to build something different. Mine will be a piece of crap, right? But the chippy's going to be, it's the same thing with AI. Whoever has the best skill in your business for whatever it is, they should be the one training the agent, because they're going to know the pitfalls, they're going to know the nuances, they're going to know the tricks, they're going to know, and so if they're training it, then you know it's going to be an extension of them. Yes?